190,000 cases at a cost of nearly $3 billion in the last 5 years. That's how serious scamming has become in Singapore, and is why the city-state is turning to judicial caning to try and deter people from this sort of crime. Scamming now accounts for 60% of all reported crimes here. It includes love scams and fake job scams, among others. Under the new legislation, people convicted of such activity will receive a minimum of 6 strokes and a maximum of 24, depending on the severity of the case.
I would say it's pretty painful. If there's this kind of law in place, I guess people will be more taken aback. So they will think twice before scamming others.
I am on my guard now all the time whenever I pick up a call that is not from somebody I know.
To find out more, I'm meeting Josephus Tan. He's a criminal lawyer and represents clients in scam cases, several of whom have been sentenced to corporal punishment.
So I think the whole idea about caning is really not a form of torture, but it's really a lesson, a physical lesson to instill into the offender that if you do something bad, right, this is the physical punishment that you have to go through.
Singapore's use of caning gained international attention in the 90s when an American teenager was sentenced to 4 strokes for vandalism. Michael Fay described the experience as excruciatingly painful and said it left permanent scars. The punishment is carried out by a specifically trained prison officer with a 1.2-meter-long rattan cane striking the bare buttocks of the offender under strict medical supervision.
You'll be stripped naked, you'll be tied to a rack, and that is where the caning will be administered. I think the very fact that the Singapore government is introducing caning in scam cases shows a zero-tolerance approach.
Singapore has intensified efforts to rein in scamming in recent years. That includes widespread public education to stop people from getting swindled, but the problem has proliferated in Southeast Asia. Cyber scam hubs in countries like Cambodia and Myanmar have cheated people out of billions of dollars worldwide. Recently, Singapore police seized more than $100 million in assets tied to Chen Ji, a British-Cambodian national accused of operating forced labour camps running multi-billion-dollar scams. But will caning crack down on the crime? That's hard to say. Still, it sends a clear message. Scammers face stiff punishment in Singapore. Patrick Falk, Al Jazeera, Singapore.
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news, expert insight. Like, share, stay ahead.